Today we'll talk about how can you enable two-step verification on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on sign in security. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on two-step verification. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on setup. Then you come to this list here. You'll get this code here from your email. When you add it here, just click on send. Then it's going to take you to enable to verification or two-step verification. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.